Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're at in your day. It is the start of a new week, week 4, day number 1. That, of course, we open up each week with a journal topic. And this week's journal topic ties back to our last workout, moving that mountain out of the way. And part of the reason why, once again, that I was able to finish through after such circumstances was because of my support group, my team. That will be my wife in that instance. And so going through this week and the rest of this handbook, I want you to really write and journal down who are your biggest fans. Even if they're not doing this handbook with you, who's rooting for you to finish through these 8 weeks? And then see what are ways where I can surround myself with these people. That's probably the most important thing. It's one thing to identify who our support team is, who are our cheerleaders along our journeys, but it's another thing to realize, how can I get these people around? Do I live with them? Are they at work? Are there certain times where I can work out or just be around them? It's empowering. We're empowered by our environment. What do they say? Our environment, or tell me who are your 5 closest friends and I can tell you everything about yourself. That sort of mindset is what's going to help push you through this handbook and even past this handbook, and surrounding yourselves with your support team. So write it down, identify them, and then also, how can you spend more time around these people? So hope that helps. I'm looking forward to this week. See you back in town.